Good understanding of OpenEdX plugins is a cornerstone to creating more robust, more easily upgradable OpenEdX installations. Keep in mind that the overarching goal of an OpenEdX plugin is to provide you with a means of customizing the functionality of OpenEdX software without actually changing any of the source code that was published by the OpenEdX product team. To that end, this plugin presents an amalgamation of real-world code running on real platforms that I created for real clients to solve real problems. You can install this plugin in any OpenEdX installation version Juniper or later, regardless of how it was installed. It currently runs in environments that were installed as native builds, installed with Tutor, installed by a cookie cutter OpenEdX, and even using proprietary methods. Don't worry, it'll work. You might also be interested to know that the example plugin is part of the cookie cutter OpenEdX build workflow, which means that the code base is actually running in many OpenEdX installations around the world today. That's important because keeping this code base working correctly requires that it get real-world use in the field, so to speak. I hope you find it helpful, and if you want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to hit the like button below, and separately, subscribing to my channel definitely helps with the YouTube search algorithm, so please do that as well.